Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on our enlightening content. Today, we have a truly captivating tale to share with you, the Buddhist story of silence. It's a story that delves deep into the realms of inner peace and wisdom, and it's bound to leave you with some valuable insights to carry on your journey toward enlightenment. To understand the essence of this story, we first need to step into the tranquil world of ancient India. It was a time when Siddhartha Gautama, who later became known as the Buddha, roamed the land in search of the ultimate truth and the path to liberation. His teachings would go on to shape the foundations of Buddhism, a spiritual tradition that continues to guide countless seekers even today. Our story begins with a young and curious seeker, much like you and me, who embarked on a journey to find meaning in a noisy and chaotic world. This seeker, let's call him Aman, wandered from one guru to another, seeking answers to the questions that plagued his mind. But he found no solace in their words. The noise of their teachings only added to his confusion. One day, as Aman roamed a dense forest, he stumbled upon a small hermitage. Inside, he found an elderly monk known for his profound silence. This monk rarely spoke, and when he did, it was with great wisdom and clarity. Aman felt drawn to him and decided to stay for a while, hoping to unravel the secret of the monk's profound serenity. Aman observed the monk's daily routine. He noticed how the monk rose at dawn, meditated for hours, and then quietly tended to his simple chores. Days turned into weeks, and Aman patiently awaited the moment when the monk would finally speak and share his wisdom. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, the monk broke his silence. He looked at Aman and said, "In the pursuit of knowledge, many seek to fill their minds with words and concepts. But true wisdom lies not in the noise of words, but in the silence between them. It is in this silence that one can hear the whispers of the universe, the secrets of existence." Aman was struck by the monk's words. He realized that in his quest for answers, he had overlooked the importance of stillness and inner silence. The monk taught him that the noisy mind could never truly understand the profound truths of the universe. Under the guidance of the wise monk, Aman began a rigorous practice of meditation and introspection. He learned to quiet his mind, to be present in the moment, and to listen to the world around him in silence. As the days turned into months, Aman's inner turmoil subsided, and he found the peace and wisdom he had been seeking all along. And so, dear viewers, the Buddhist story of silence teaches us that sometimes the most profound answers come when we learn to embrace the stillness within ourselves. In the noise of the world, it's easy to get lost, but by cultivating inner silence, we can uncover the timeless truths that have guided seekers for millennia. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Buddhist story of silence. We hope you found inspiration in Aman's transformation and the wisdom of the monk. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more stories and teachings on mindfulness, wisdom, and spirituality, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Together, let's continue our quest for inner peace and enlightenment. Until next time, may your path be filled with silence and wisdom.